Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. Wind advisory in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour expected. The areas impacted include portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Wisconsin. Timing: from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A wind advisory means that sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour will make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The following is a Lakeshore flood bulletin. Lakeshore flood advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a Lakeshore flood advisory, which is in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. Waves on Lake Michigan building to 8 to 12 feet will lead to minor lakeshore flooding where substantial shoreline ice is not present. The areas impacted include Dorr, Kewaunee and Manitowoc counties. Timing: from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: some water on low-lying roads and property along the lake shore. Residents on or near the shore should take appropriate action to protect property from rising water levels.